Hi. So, like I said, we're going to be reacting to Airplane 2 by J-Hope. Yeah, so it's kind of funny. We just saw that this video came out like a few hours ago, so we're like really quick on that, right? Yeah. So, I don't know what this one's going to sound like, but
probably not as groovy as like the other songs.
It might be a bit like slower, so we'll see. But let's react. Ooh.
I wonder where this is.
Nice shot. I really like the...
Wait, the song sounds some... I heard this...
Have you heard it?
No, it starts off...
Similar?
Yeah, so much has different songs.
Ooh, this sounds cool. Here we go.
Okay. The R&B vibes.
Yeah, I like it. Well, I feel like he's gonna be dancing in this. Something's about to happen. Here we go.
Okay. Oh, he looks good.
Oh, this is very different from Daydream. Oh, this is more my style.
Me too. I like it.
Yeah.
So
just
cool.
sit in a chair, like.
I'm gonna figure out what song this is similar to. These same beats.
Ooh, I like that jacket. Yeah. I love that hat he always wears.
The bucket hat.
Yeah.
He looks so cool.
I know. I feel like it's the two sides of J-Hope. Like the one really happy side and then his like, yeah. J-Hope has such a unique voice. I feel like out of all of BTS, like his voice is just, like you can always tell. Ooh, that's cool. Ooh, he's like in the clouds, like an airplane.
Ooh, like car though.
I know, right?
Okay. Does he even have his license? I don't know.
I'm sure he does. Oh, that's like the same room as the other one.
Oh, yes,
Now it's a chair. Ooh. Ooh, that's so cool. I like the camera work. Very like 360. This looks like Jimin's like intro video, like with the sky. You know what I mean? Yeah.
I like this song.
I know, that was cool. Ooh. Oh. That was cool.
I like the song. I like it more than the other one.
Yeah, same.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
J-Hope,
J-Hope.
like,
Okay. I see you.
I know, right? Ooh.
Wow. I like that a lot.
I know.
He looks so cool.
Man, that's crazy that he's like I'm so proud of him and everyone in BTS. Like they're just doing so well.
So good.
It's
They deserve like
they
all
really
the fame.
They really do. It's kind of crazy sometimes, like how popular they are, but yeah, they deserve it for sure.
They're having a tour soon, right? For sure.
Are they?
I mean, like I'm pretty sure. Like they're so popular.
Yeah.
Maybe like soon.
I
soon
hope
they'll
so.
announce it or something.
I know. I want to go.
We better.
We gotta go.
We gotta go.
We have to. Yeah.
We're gonna vlog.
We're going
everything.
to. And we're gonna be like front row.
Yes.
So
yes,
yeah.
We'll be standing.
Yes.
Okay. Touch my hand, please.
Touch us there. Oh my god. Oh, that was so good.
That was so good.
I need to listen to the whole thing, but
how many
like,
songs do you know?
I want to say like 7.
Oh, 7?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, okay.
Okay.
I know.
I have something to do today.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
That was so good. I want an Agos D come back. I want a Rap Monster come back too. I'm looking forward to it.
Yes.
Alright. Well, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, and if anything else comes out, we'll try to react.
Alright. Bye!
Bye!